Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Miriam Dow, wife, mama for real estate investor and entrepreneur. So today I'm coming to take a look at the house to see what we've got done. So you guys already saw the first floor, but maybe let me show it to you anyway. I'm gonna just show you the entire unit. So let's take a stroll. Let's take a tour. So as you know, I just met with my electricians. There's a lot of work that needs to get done electrical wise, but here we go. So this is the actual flooring. The flooring is not all the way done in this unit, but we're about 90% done. So you guys already saw this unit. Just gonna do a quick little walkthrough. This is the accent wall, first floor. That's not ours. We didn't order that. And then we got a nice little chandelier. So you guys already saw this unit. You can look at the videos I posted previously to take a look, but you didn't see the glass doors. And Josh, do we have light here? Is there a ski? So look, y'all, I'm gonna put a before clip at the bathroom before, but we got that glass door in. This bathroom is done. So here we go. Bathroom is complete. It just needs to get clean. That's the black mirror we bought that's going up here. And then the lights is missing 2 light bulbs. That's our vanity that we bought. You saying this mirror is too big?
Yeah, we got 2 mirrors.
Can you put it up so I can see how big it is?
So you have to put it sideways, and you'll have to sit like that.
I don't mind it going sideways.
And the trim that's on there, we're just gonna remove that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because
So let me see what it look like the other side.
you ain't even gonna fit it up there.
It's not even gonna go up. That's fine. Nope,
You
we
know
good.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, so sideways is fine. And this bathroom is pretty much done. Is that a new toilet or no?
Yeah.
Why the new toilet look old? But I really, let me get this. I really like the way this bathroom came out. It's nice and clean. Once we have that up there and it's nice and clean, we're gonna put our little towels there, cleaning supplies. And then we got space here to put any kind of storage we're looking to do. So I'm really loving the way that bathroom came out. So this is the flooring. And as you can see, we almost done. Just got a little bit of piece here, and then we gotta get flooring for the kitchen. So there's no light in the kitchen. So bear with me, but the countertops are completely installed. Oh yeah, that's right. When the last time I was here, they were installing it. So you guys didn't see it installed. So let's try to get some light in here so you guys can see what it looked like. All right, I just opened the back door. All right, y'all. So there's a dog breeder next door. I gotta make sure you know me. All right, so this refrigerator is going right here. This is gonna be a nice open space, and we're gonna put a dining table right here. But this is the kitchen. Handles are in, so we got our nice handles. What this kitchen is missing is an above over the range microwave. So I'm gonna go buy that today. We're gonna plop that right up in there. That's why it's missing tiles, because we're putting that above there. And then we're gonna fix this. So we're gonna put a spacer right there, and then we're gonna also move that cabinet over, because this is giving me a headache the way this is not aligning. So we're gonna fix that. There goes our farmhouse sink. Oh my god, look at the faucet. This faucet is fire. Look at that. Look at those details. That's fire. Okay, so I think stuff is not plugged in or whatever. Water and lights is off, because we had a leak. Last time I came in, we had a leak, so he turned off the power on this floor, just so you know the leak don't cause any problems. But yeah, that's what we did. Is this the mirror? What is it?
No, I don't know where that came from.
Oh, okay. All right, so so the kitchen, so this unit is pretty much done. We just need to get it finished, the flooring for the first floor. This is a closet that we created. We're gonna put, like, you know, stuff in there. People can hang up their coats. This is gonna be locked up. That's the basement, so no one's gonna have access to that. We're gonna add a light right here, and we're gonna add an outlet. I'm gonna have a ring camera here, and I also need you guys help with the common area, what color we should paint it. I was thinking just put some you know those strips, the little columns. I'll put a picture in there, but what I wanted to do was paint this front door black and then paint this front door pink. So the guest that's coming in for the pink unit, they know automatically, you know, this is the door. So I'm gonna have 2 electronic keypads on both the doors, and I don't want someone coming to the pink unit to try to put their code in the black unit. So that's why I wanted to differentiate it with the colored doors, so people don't have an excuse. So we're covering this up with carpet. I'm gonna get a nice plush pink carpet. We're gonna put a banister that leads up to the 2nd floor. And as you can see, we're getting pinkified up here. So we're gonna add some color to this. We added a half wall up there. Let's come to the kitchen. Bam, the kitchen is complete. But I just met with my electrician, and they need to unfortunately open up some walls because the stove needed its own designated line. The kitchen needed its own line. So I learned a lot today about stuff. But this sink is an undermount sink, so it's not a farmhouse sink like downstairs. But I also got this, I got this faucet from Amazon. So what y'all think about the faucet? I'm breathing heavy because of the stairs. And what do you guys think about the backsplash? Let me zoom in on that. So all these cabinets are missing are the gold handles, but after we just spoke with the electrician, these cabinets actually have to come down because he needs access to the wall to run his line. So we created openings for the outlets, but he needs access to run his lines in. So we're not done yet. When we bought the house, this was here, and it's actually brand new. But we don't plan on keeping this here because we have a silver stainless steel refrigerator and a stainless steel dishwasher. So we got to get rid of this white stove. So that's getting moved. But what do you guys think about the kitchen? We didn't run flooring yet. What we're gonna do is with this space here, so the oven was blocking that door, and that door is access to the boiler. So we couldn't put that there because we want to make sure we have access to it. So the best option is put in the refrigerator. If anyone needs access to it, you just move it out the way and you have access to that. But now moving this here, we got rid of our cabinets. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some shelves, like some shelves over here. We're gonna add some shelves over here, and that's what we're gonna do. And we didn't get rid of our windows. We just closed the windows up, but it's still nice and bright. So let me show you the bathroom. All right, this is a bathroom coming together. So I actually wanted to add a wallpaper here, and I'm not sure if I'm still gonna do it, but bathroom came out really, really nice. I love the gold detailing in there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a glass wall that goes from here and stops right there. So it's gonna be a nice gold glass wall with gold handles and gold bars and stuff. And as you can see, the diverter, the shower head, all that's gonna be gold coated, brass coated. This is the vanity. We're gonna put a nice gold mirror over here, and then the toilet is going right there. And then this will just be, you know, space for us to add storage and stuff like that. Towels, cleaning supplies. So tell me what you guys think in the comment section down below. All right, now let's come over to the living room. Bam! Pinkified. So you guys remember I asked you guys to vote. A lot of you guys voted for this pink. This is the same pink that my sister likes, so that's what we used for the main color of the living room. Now I'm about to show you something. Bam! Do you guys like this accent wall? What you think? So on the camera, this is giving red, but it's really hot pink. I'll try to take a picture and see if that's doing it more justice. And I'll put the inspo where I got the inspiration for this. So we gotta spray paint these sticks with a little bit more gold. I think he did it for the first floor, and then he gotta just do these a little bit more. But what do you guys think? So this is my vision. This is where the dining table is gonna go. That's gonna be where the chandelier is gonna go. We got a really pretty, nice, unique chandelier. It's very different. And then we're gonna have beautiful dining chairs. So this whole area is gonna be a vibe. And then you're gonna come over here, and we're gonna have like a sofa here, and this is where we're gonna put our TV. We had to build a wall just because that's the chimney, I think. So it's just gonna be easier to build. What is this called? I forgot what this is called. What's this called, Josh?
Basically, we're gonna put the mount right there.
Yeah, but what is this called? Drywall. So it's easier to just have the TV mounted into the drywall rather than this situation. So we're gonna put it here. Our electrician's gonna add an outlet, and then we're also gonna have a fireplace, an electric fireplace here, kind of like downstairs. And I like this pink. This is gonna be a prop area, and I think I wanna color this room a different pink just so it could be like different from the rest of the space. So that's what we're gonna do. All right. So what do you guys think? This space is beautiful. And as you're coming in, we're gonna also have these same gold sticks here. So the same thing here on the stairwell. So as you come upstairs, there goes the sticks. You're gonna see the big open space. You got the dining room, you got the living room. All right, let's go upstairs. Last time I was here, the 3rd floor bathroom wasn't done. So let's take a look at what they completed. So as you can see, it's pink. And we're gonna do those pink doors. So every door on this floor is gonna be pink, like a darker pink. So all the closet doors or the bedroom doors. So this is gonna be where we're gonna have something beautiful. Nice little surprise. I'm not gonna tell y'all yet, but as I'm building it out, of course, you guys are gonna see the videos of the progress. So we really took away from this bedroom, but it's not gonna be used for a bedroom. So that's fine. All right. Then we created, how do we open this door? I can't open it, but we created a closet here to put the washer and dryer for this unit. So this is the floor. And if you remember this floor, this is the same floor that I have in my other Airbnb. So I had like 3-4 boxes left of flooring. So I decided to just use it here. But now that it's down, I have to admit, I don't love it with the wall pattern that we chose. I love the wall pattern. I just don't love this flooring for the wall pattern. But it is what it is. We are not gonna lift it up because we're over schedule. But I think what I would have done differently is just a solid color on the floor, just a solid white color, because the floors are already busy. So I don't know if it's too much to get this up, but we already bought 2 extra boxes. And I'm just saying, like, the floors is really fun. And you guys got to remember, like, this is not meant to be like a normal bathroom. Like, downstairs unit was nice and clean, but this is a pink Airbnb unit. So I'm trying to make it really fun, give people an experience. So we're not about to just have no boring bathroom. You know, you come into an Airbnb for photo shoot, video shoots. People might use this bathroom in their, you know, video shoots or whatever. So I want it to be fun, something that you're not gonna see all the time. So tell me what you think about this. I love it. My sister actually showed me, came up with the idea for this, but I really just don't love the gray in this. Like, if there was a way to just bleach this shit and make it all white, that would be perfect. But I feel like it's too much going on because this is zigzag, and then you got the octagon that's already like 6 corners, and then on top of the busy cutting shape, then you got the color. So I feel like it's too much. I might just, I don't want to do that because we're already behind schedule, but I really don't love the floor with this bathroom. And I'll put a picture of it in my other Airbnb. And what we did here was we created a space. So we're going to put shelves here so that we could fold up towels and stuff like that. And then I'm getting another glass gold shower wall for here. And as you can see, the gold diverter is going to be a gold shower head and all that. And then the toilet's going here, vanity's going here with the gold shower. And I think I'm just going to have this. It's already so much going on in this bathroom. I think I'm just going to have the wall painted pink. I'm sorry, white. All right. And then that's about it. Those are all the updates. All right. And then here goes a middle bedroom. So this bedroom, we're doing something fun as well. We're going to put pink stripes. So different pink tone stripes. So he did the base, and then he's going to add the other stripes in there. So that's fun. That should be done this week as well. And then here is the master bedroom. And then what we wanted to do is open this closet up and just make it one big closet. Now that I see it like this, I think I actually want to add French doors. I feel like that's gonna be beautiful, just to open this up and add like some beautiful French doors. So tell me what you think about that. But I like it because I like to add in, you know, my rollaway bed. So I'll probably add one rollaway bed in there, one in there. Just the more rollaway beds you have, the more guests you can host and the more money you make. Now this corner is also going to be painted a different color because I'm going to have a whole situation vibe over here that's going to be separate from the bedroom. So we're getting there. We're not done. Just speaking with the electrician, it's going to take him about 2 weeks to get done what he needs to get done. But that is the end of the tour.